Back here in Metro Detroit, an unusual case of road rage leaves one man dead and another in police custody. This is an update to a story that you saw right now breaking last night at 11.
Let's get right to 7 Action News reporter Kim Russell, who joins us now live. Kim, tell us how this started.
Police say all the witnesses they spoke to say the very same thing, that a bicycle rider was going down the road and there was a do not cross signal at an intersection, but that bike rider went anyways and hit a pickup truck. It happened here at North Line and Telegraph, and what happened next, witnesses describe it only as bizarre and shocking. The bicyclist stood up, walked over to the pickup driver's door and started punching him. Witnesses watched as the driver, a 46-year-old Taylor man, called 911 for help. He didn't get out of his truck. At some point, though, he took out a pistol and shot that bicyclist in the chest.
I feel for both of them. I feel for the guy on the bike. He was hurt. I do feel for the driver, though, because I can't imagine what's going through his head right now because he had to shoot that man. I don't blame him. It was self-defense.
Witnesses watched as that bicyclist was rushed to the hospital. There they tried to save him. There was an operation, but he died during surgery. As for what happens next, police say they are putting together their investigation. They're going to hand it over to the prosecutor's office. Until then, the pickup truck driver, he is going to remain in police custody. We'll continue to follow this story and let you know what happens with their investigation. Reporting live, Kim Russell, 7 Action News.